I do believe Topaz Video Enhance AI is the best video AI upscaling software for PC and Mac, just because it works great. Besides, Topaz does natural slow motion effects, up to 2000%, without stuttering or motion artifacts. Topaz Video Enhance AI can also make your videos look like a true HD video with its AI denoising and deinterlacing engines. Topaz Video Enhance AI can create true 120 FPS videos with natural look but no jittery. With the help of AI, it generates new frames between the existing ones. However, Topaz Video Enhance AI is a bit expensive. It's $199.99 for lifetime use, but only with 1 year free updates. You will have to spend another $99 if you want to upgrade for another year. The good news is I have an extra 15% discount for Topaz Video Enhance AI. Hi guys, this is Hunk from Hans Guide. Welcome to my channel. In this Topaz Video Enhance AI tutorial, let's see how we can save an extra 15%. Click the Buy button here. Click Add Promo Code. And enter the Topaz Video Enhance AI coupon HUNKHON15. Click OK to apply. Now the coupon is applied. And the price dropped from $199 to $169. Then, you just need to fill in the requested information and pay through your credit card or PayPal. Please note that this coupon also works for other Topaz products like Denoise AI, Gigapixel AI, Sharpen AI, and even the bundles. And it's an extra discount. I mean, you can save an extra 15% even if there is already a discount on Topaz Labs' official site. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.